Welcome. In front of me is a LENOVO Yoga Tab Smart, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my screen. Just make sure whatever you want to capture is actually visible to you right now on the display. And once it is, all you need to do is hold your power button and volume down at the same time. You'll have this animation happen, or however you want to classify this, with a couple options. There we go, that was a little bit more of an animation. Let's try it again. There we go. There's a couple options that should be visible. There we go at the bottom as a scrollable screenshot, edit, share, and delete. And after a moment it disappears and gets saved into your photos gallery. So let's open that up just so we can view our screenshot. I don't want to update photos right now, so can I not do it? That would be fantastic. Let's try that again. I guess I can't open up photos without updating it because Google wants you to update it, so you have no choice. Let's see if we have anything else. No, we don't. So I'm going to show it a bit of a different way. I'm going to just kind of go in here and talk about it. So when you open up your photos and it actually functions, unlike this garbage that right now is happening, you can then navigate to albums, and in albums you'll find an album called screenshots, in which you will find only screenshots that I have captured on this device. And just to show this screenshot that would be located there, I'm gonna do it through different means, just circumventing this trash, which is by going through File Manager, assuming there is one here. If not, there we go, there is File Manager. Continue, and from here we can navigate to Images. Come on. I guess I can't do it because... oh, never mind, there we go. So it was in a different location. So there is these two screenshots that I have captured, as you can see. So hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.